Hello, I'm Jess and I'm the new mental health worker for YEPS. I'm here today just to chat to you about Mental Health Awareness Week, which is the 13th to 19th of May. And I want to talk to you about all the benefits that physical activity can have on our mental health. Physical activity is not only good for your body, but it's also good for your mind. Being active releases chemicals in your brain that make you feel good. So boosting your self-esteem and helping you concentrate, as well as improving your sleep and overall mood. It can also act as a good distraction from negative thought patterns, so even if it feels difficult sometimes, it's important to get up and get moving. Other benefits include less tension, stress and mental fatigue, a natural energy boost, a sense of achievement, more focus and motivation to do everyday tasks, feeling less angry or frustrated, you'll have a healthy appetite and it will help manage your weight, and it's fun. Examples of simple exercises include going for a walk or run, riding a bike, team sports and ball games, dancing and skipping. Any activity that raises your heart rate, makes you breathe faster and makes you feel warmer counts as your exercise. There's evidence that exercise can help depression and anxiety and help reduce stress. To work properly, your body needs regular exercise. It can have lots of different benefits to different people, including help you to feel good about yourself. So, participation in sports can have long-term effects on your mental health. Research has studied 9,000 children who had bad childhood experiences, such as physical and sexual abuse or emotional neglect. They found that all of those children who took part in team sports and physical activity had better mental well-being. I hope this video has been helpful, and I hope that you all managed to get out about and active over Mental Health Awareness Week, 13th to the 16th of May.